The BMW Vision Neue Klasse is a concept car that previews the future design language of BMW's upcoming electric vehicles. It was unveiled on September 2, 2023, and is expected to be the basis for a new generation of BMW cars that will start production in 2025. The Vision Neue Klasse has a sleek and minimalist design that is inspired by the classic BMW 3 Series. It has a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and a sloping roofline. The front end is dominated by the iconic BMW kidney grille, which is now fully digital and illuminated. The headlights are slim and angular, and the lower bumper has a wide air intake. The side profile of the Vision Neue Klasse is clean and elegant. The greenhouse is sharply inset, and the wheels are large and aerodynamic. The rear end is characterized by the slim taillights and the Hofmeister kink, a signature BMW design element. The interior of the Vision Neue Klasse is just as futuristic as the exterior. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved display that houses the infotainment system and other controls. The seats are upholstered in sustainable materials, and the interior is bathed in ambient lighting. The Vision Neue Klasse is powered by a next-generation electric drive system that delivers over 400 horsepower. It also features a new iDrive infotainment system that uses augmented reality and artificial intelligence to provide a more immersive and personalized driving experience. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse is a bold and innovative concept car that previews the future of BMW design. It is sure to turn heads when it goes on sale in 2025. Here are some of the key features of the BMW Vision Neue Klasse: sleek and minimalist design, digital kidney grille, slim headlights, large wheels, clean and elegant side profile, Hofmeister kink, large curved display, sustainable materials, ambient lighting, next-generation electric drive system, over 400 horsepower, new iDrive infotainment system with augmented reality and artificial intelligence. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse is a significant car for BMW. It represents a new design language for the company, and it is also the first BMW to be based on a new electric vehicle platform. The Vision Neue Klasse is a preview of what's to come from BMW in the years ahead.